Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Gift Wrap Bundle, and this is the sweet little Christmas card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using the Gift Wrap Bundle, and we're going to be using this bow and a very Merry Christmas. So we'll start with our stamping. I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm going to come in with my Mossy Meadow. And then I have our bow mounted on clear block D. All right, so just like that. And then I have another piece of Whisper White. Excuse me. And I'm still going to use the Mossy Meadow, and then this one is mounted on clear block C. And then this piece is cut at 3 3/4. So I'm just going to put it here in the middle, just like that. Then I'm going to come with my Pick a Banner, I believe. And I'm just going to trim the ends down. So just like that. So I had made this gift box for one of our team challenges, and I just wanted to make a card that would match that. So I'm going to come in with my Real Red Dark Stampin' Blends. Excuse me. And you're just going to color the thicker of the ribbon. But I didn't want the sentiments to match, since I'll probably be giving this together. Are y'all all finished Christmas shopping? I think I'm just about done. We still need to pick up our Christmas tree, but I'm kind of sad because the place that we get our Christmas tree from isn't coming this year, so we may go with an artificial one this year. All right, so just like that, and then I'm going to come in with my bow punch. And then just line it up, just like that. And now we can start putting this card together. I have a piece of the Heartwarming Hugs Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And I come in with my Stampin' Seal. And I'm just going to put it on all four corners, or all four sides. And then I have a piece of Real Red, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then put adhesive on this as well. And then our card base is PEAR PIZZAZZ, and it is cut at 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Alright, so just like that, I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals, and I'm going to pop this bow up. And I'm just going to put it right there. And then I'm going to come in with this, and I just want to slide it under. So I think I'm just going to trim this off a little bit. So yeah, maybe just a tad more. And then I'm going to put that down. Just like that. So there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!